M. Nagaraju, Secretary of the Department of Financial Services, Ministry of Finance, Government of India, inaugurated a high-profile credit outreach program at the Rabindra Bhawan in Agartala. Organized by the State-Level Bankers Committee and led by Punjab National Bank, the event brought together top state bureaucrats and banking executives to promote financial inclusion and expand institutional credit delivery across Tripura.
On the dais, সম্মানিত অতিথিবৃন্দ, ভারত সরকার ও ত্রিপুরা সরকারের বিশিষ্ট
sanctioned by Tripura Bank and education.
Secretary M. Nagaraju announced a comprehensive credit project worth ₹500 crore aimed at distributing direct loans and financial subsidies to eligible grassroots beneficiaries across the nation. The lighting of the lamp ceremony was attended by Tripura Chief Secretary Jitendra Kumar Sinha, Finance Secretary Prasan Kumar Goyal, Special Secretary Rakhi Bishwas, West Tripura DM Dr. Vishal Kumar, PNB Executive Director M. Paramabi Sibam, alongside senior representatives from NABARD, SBI, TGB and Union Bank of India.
Banks are doing very well, both public and private sector banks. We had excellent growth last year. It's about 15.9%, one of the highest ever in the Indian history. And this year also we are going to witness very good growth of the bank rate. For the two reasons, we have good capital base, all the private and public sector, we have good capital, and also our NPAs are lower compared to the past. Even this year, the NPAs are declined further. It is less than 0.4%. And government also, under the leadership of the Prime Minister, we also launched the credit guarantee program for about 2.25 lakh crore.
Shri Govardhan Singh Rawat, Deputy Managing Director NABARD, Shri Chakrabarti, loan amount 3.8 lakhs, sanctioned by Next.
Reported by Amit from Agartala, Chini, Khorang.